Alright guys, out here at an old farm. Old schoolhouse used to sit across the road over there. New camera too. So I got 28 signal right here. Troy's over there working the yard. It's right there. What do we got here? Looks like I'm gonna probably be junk. Huh. That's it. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, I got our first coin and it's a stinking memorial copper penny. Here's a really cool artifact. It's the arrow off of the little wind thing. Typically has the arrow, and I think it has like a rooster or something on the other side. Tells you which way the wind's blowing. That's awesome. Ruby Ruby doo! We got a Velma here on a car. It's pretty cool. A little Daphne car. I'll take it. Pretty cool. A little Traco. Half a Traco. Parked it in the ghetto and they stole my tracks. And it's raining pretty hard now. It's becoming a soupy, muddy mess out here. I just got a dog tag. Not finding a whole lot. Welcome to the farm life again. Farm life. Alright, Troy got himself a Sunoco token. So that's pretty cool. Alright. Yeah. We got a bucket lister, guys. Ugh. Look at her. That's awesome. Oh, there it is. Alright guys, we're on our second quarter. 1 dime, 1 penny, 2 quarters. So it's an older one. I can't get a date off of it. $74. Abby. Alright guys, we got sorry about the lawnmower. I got mowing on both sides of me right now, so we'll really test the volume of this camera. He's mowing his yard, the lady next door. We got a wheat cent. It's a green one. That's awesome. First old coin out of the yard. So, alright, we'll keep at it. Got another wheat penny, guys. Been 40s. This one looks like 50s. So, there's 3 wheat pennies so far that we messed with the Garretts. With the Apex and the Max. pretty clean dirt, so I might have just not went over it with the apex. Hey guys, we got a little relic. I don't know if video's taken or not, so it's off space, but little, I don't know what it is, little wheel knob, something for a faucet or a spigot thing outside or something. All right.
What the heck is that?
To the finds keeper.